Okay, so just rub right here. You can do more than 2 colors, or even 3, 4, 5. It really depends on you, however you like and however clients like. The clients can do all 10 nail scenes. Like, there are total of 12 different colors, so you can do 10 nails in 10 different colors and matching with crystal placements. It depends on your clients like. I think the neons, any colors you're doing is gonna be so beautiful. It's on this side right there. Can you move this one, please? Move the pink one, please. Right here. Not yet. Maybe in a little bit. And it's only stay and it stick on to where it had a gel painting, but it's had to be with the tacky layer, okay? So if you have the one with gel painting with no white, I believe it's not gonna stay on. It's not gonna grip on the gel painting. So I'm blend a little bit to make it blending out. And stain a little bit. Great. To this, I'm just using my little brush. And brush it up. And now to secure it, you just need to put the top coat on. No white top coat. To really seal that neon pigment. You can go around along with the crystal. You can probably cover the beads, but try not to go in to the top of your crystals, as it's gonna ruin your crystals, the shines and the sparkle of it. I think I got it good. Great, so now we're gonna keep it for 60 seconds and this nail will be done. Great, it's cool, stunning. Let's move on to this one because we are going to do different ones as well. Oh, I just spilled that. You should see it. I'm gonna use that one again. Oh, thank you so much, Foxy. Presidential Beauty is it. It's really simple though. Try it and then you'll see the difference. It's just I literally don't have to. I do it live right on with you ladies, so you can see that I'm doing it. Kelly, what the powder pigment you are using? I using the neon pigments. There are 12 colors. I have my kits right here. Just my kits are kind of messy because I'm using a lot of them. And then this come with 12 colors. I'm pull out 4 colors already, so you can see this. And just little colors on the jar is go a long ways. Like it's so many. If you're using it for your pigments, or you can mix it for your powder to make it your own neons as well. Or I can put it in the gel polish. It's loose like kind of pure pigment. Great.